parts. Mufflers on the Mustang are not loud enough. It's got a off-brand Catless X pipe and GT500 mufflers. Sounds good, really quiet, but before I had the Roush mufflers on, it was just way too loud. So this should give me a nice in-between. Open it up for you guys. And this is it. So, yeah, this muffler canister is much smaller than even the Roush, but somehow this is supposed to be quieter than the Roush. So I guess we'll throw it on and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too loud.
Stupid exhaust hangers are always not fun. Plus, I was too lazy to actually lift the car off the ground, which it should be doable on the ground.
Not fun. Not fun, I have to lift the car up.
Dun, 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 dun. I don't want to have to undo the sway bar. Come on, bitch. There we go. Huzzah. Oh yeah. Definitely. I definitely think I want to paint the inside, because you can see that piece of metal just from where they welded on the tip, but that's nice. It tucks up nice and high. These just hung super low because I cut out that rear valence, so it just gives you a really odd look, and just it's dirty, and you can see the canister for the muffler, and it's not visually appealing. That, on the other hand, nice and sleek and definitely much lighter. We do have to disconnect this bar right here. It's in between the sway bar and the panhard bar. We just undo these two bolts, and this is actually a really cool design by Ford because they hinged it on this side. So that will literally just unbolt, drop down, and it will give us the clearance we need to slide this out. There we go. Not too bad. Alright, it's on. So the moment of truth. Black tips, so they blend in fairly well, especially since it's dark. Louder, at least right now. I think it is going to be much louder, so kind of curious. Oh yeah, it's much louder. It's got a good tone to it. It's not like raspy or like high pitched like the Roush was, I guess. The inside's going to be much louder because I don't have back seats. I'm so happy with it. Holy crap. Such a good purchase.